How to clear space in Google Drive. Let's see over here. Before getting started, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So the first thing is you need to open up your Google Drive application on your device. And if you have got multiple Google accounts, make sure to log into the account in which you want to make the change. And once you are logged in, you'll be able to see this interface where all of your files, photos that you have uploaded will be available. So there is one simple way to clear space in Google Drive. So the simple trick is you can create a sum of all the files, photos and videos uploaded on your Google Drive, and you can receive it on your email by requesting to Google and you can download. So for that you have to tap on your profile option in the right upper corner, and from over here you have to go for the Google account option. So once you are under Google account, you'll be able to see this interface. You have to simply switch to data and privacy over here, and from over here you have to scroll a little bit and you'll be able to see download your data option under download or delete your data. Simply go for download your data. Here you have to select all of the informations that you want to be downloaded. That can include any of these informations or the files. You have to scroll down and you'll be able to see the next step option. Simply tap on next step, and in this section you have to select where you want to receive the link of the files. So you have to simply tap on the drop down over here and you have to select whether you want to add to Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive or Box. You can also select for sending download link via email. You can select any of your preferred one, and you have to scroll down a little bit and you have to go to frequency. So if you want to export only once, then you can select over here, but if you want to export every 2 months for 1 year, then you can select this option. And further you have to scroll down and you'll be able to see you can select the file type and size. Simply tap on the drop down of the file type and you have to select whether you can receive the file in zip or TZZ. Once you're selected, you have to select your file size. You have to tap on the drop down and select greater files. That can be either 50 GB or according to your wish. It said that if you export larger file than 2 GB or more, then it will be split into multiple files and you'll receive multiple files on your email or your selected medias. And if you are okay with this information, you can go for create export option, and it will take a few time or few days to receive a link with a copy of all of your files. And once you receive those files, you can delete the files or photos or media from your account. So this is the simple trick. So by this step you can clear space in Google Drive. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.